think this is me traveling alone to Paris. First train, going to Zurich HB. And then an hour, I need to go to my train going to Paris. Good luck to me. Baka maligaw ako. Finally inside, put on my luggage and my seat. Oh my god! I'm in Paris! I'm back! Sabi ko sa'yo, babalik ako eh. Okay, uwi na kami. So, we're finally here. Diyan siya nakatira, pero hindi namin ipapakita kasi very private yung buhay nito.
Hi,
diba?
AD! Welcome to my apartment.
Charles in Paris. Wow! So anyway, hindi ko naman kailangan mag-check-in. So, dito ako titira for 5 days! Yeah! Okay, let's go. Very private. Ay, pakita yung bahay. Binta-bintana lang papakita ko sa inyo, guys. Bye! Let's go, Moulin Rouge! That's Moulin Rouge. So, we did a little pre-game in their homes. Oh, no. Charles, may nang kakausap sa akin. May pinapakita siya.
Okay, those basically the people like just trying to scam you and everything. And it's like trying to offer you like go to like a pub club.
It says like reception.
Yo, that's just like fucking crazy. That's so crazy. I can't even imagine.
So red.
Oh my gosh.
Moulin Rouge! Let's go! It's afternoon already. This is my look. Charles, this is what I'm wearing. This one, this super long trench coat from H&M Studio. We're going to Eiffel today and to some spots to shoot. San pa?
We're gonna walk by the Seine, eat at a French bistro.
Yeah. By the way, we are staying in
Nuit-sur-Seine.
Nuit-sur-Seine. Sabi nila magandang area daw to. Mga nakatira daw dito mga politician. So, since tumatakbo siyang presidente, Heart World. Anyway, we're going to Eiffel. I'll show you guys later. I loves you. We are here. Are you guys ready? Ayan na. Sana walang cloud. Daming tao. Yeah! Oh, may takip. But it's nice.
Yeah, that's nice.
It's pretty. May konting cloud siya. Yung pinaka-tok-tok. May mga nagsasayaw dun, oh. Daming tao. Okay, kakain muna kami here. This is just beside the Paris view. That's the Eiffel Tower. Para siyang pop-up booth. Tas Japanese yung food. So may mga cocktails, may tempura, may gyoza, may crepe, Nutella, and many more. So we'll just eat maybe. We'll try it. And we'll see kung masarap.
Alors bonjour tout le monde, on va manger un riz avec un poulet. Et pour moi, ça c'est un riz avec un crème.
Rice in a box lang to. Tigilan mo. So this is our view. Bon appetit. Hindi pala siya isang store lang. It's like a food park. Then meron pang mga ibang stores there. So may Asian food. What we got is Japanese. So we'll see. That's the Eiffel Tower.
Parang library ng architecture something yata.
Okay. Let's go to the middle of Eiffel Tower. So before, when we went here, nag-shoot kami dyan, dito sa side na to. Kung saan sila nakaupo. Yan, dyan. Uy, may mais! Looks good! Oops! Yan, so nag-shoot kami dyan. Here. Here you go! Oh, may ano dito. Show.
It's is kami yan. Kunyari, nag-game, may nananalo. Pero yung nananalo, friend nila. So, it's a tourist trap.
Oh, it's a tourist trap. Oh, alam niyo na, guys. And then, maraming nagpipicture sa gitna. Before, walang ganyan. Dati, open yan. Ngayon, meron ng nagpipicture ng mga tourist kasi I think maraming na-aksidente kasi tumatawid talaga sila to shoot. But anyway, merong yung Olympics na logo. It's there.
It was closed during Olympics, that's why. I think kinip
okay.
nila for the year.
Yeah. Kahit hindi siya kita fully. Really nice. Pasok naman yung trench namin dalawa.
The vibe is vibing, guys.
Oh, sorry. He speaks French, by the way. Tinuruan niya ako. I'll try it with you guys. Bonjour. 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 Je m'appelle Larbi.
Je m'appelle Larbi.
Je m'appelle Larbi. Enchanté.
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 Bienvenue à Paris, les gars.
Pwede na, pwede na. More. We're currently here in this area. Ito yung famous street sa, hindi man famous, but this is where all the people go to shoot na may view ng Eiffel Tower, tapos may puno. So, medyo magandang spot siya. And nakapag-shoot na kami, tapos na kami mag-shoot. Merci.
Yeah.
Punta ulit kami sa isa pang location para sa another shoot, tapos goods na tayo. Super ganda talaga nito. This one is from H&M Studio, guys. Thank you, H&M. Mag-ingat kayo sa pinto ng mga ganito. Mapanakit to. So, kailangan, pag bumukas siya, lumabas ka na agad. Oops! We're here in Notre Dame. So, it's a church. Unfortunately, it's not open, so hindi kami makakapasok sa loob. Guys, may sabihin ako, nawala yung sunglasses ko. Ayaw niyang balikan. Kasi hindi na daw, wala na daw yun. It's Prada! Dito ko pa naman binili yun. So sad. I'm so sad. It's Prada!
May mga
Anyway, next time na lang. Super ganda. Guys, look. Ooh. Nakakainis, hindi ako makaget over.
Nadijebs ako.
Nadijebs daw siya. In French.
Je vais faire un caca.
Nainis ako, but anyway, I don't have choice. We need to move on. I'm just gonna show you this, guys. Meron siyang parang ganito, para siyang sa Times Square. So people sit there just to look at the Notre Dame. Beautiful Notre Dame. Tayo na lang kaya ako doon, ako yung tignan nila. Anyway, magsushoot lang kami, tapos baka bumalik na kami ng bahay niya. Yung product ko. I love you. Bonjour. Hey everyone. We are now walking to Arc de Triomphe. The past 2 days when I got here, wala kaming ginawa kundi mag-bar and eat. So hindi ko na vinlog yun because it's hard to go to the bar carrying cameras. So, just to be safe and para maiwasan ang pickpockets kasi sa bar usually may mga nagbabar na hindi nyo alam, pickpocket naman pala. So, yun. Today, we are going to shoot sa Arc and then we might go to Lafayette later. Basically, itong first 2-3 days ko here was very chill, as in relax lang kami, no pressure with shooting kasi wala rin kaming ginawa sa Switzerland with my team and the Switzerland tourism kundi mag-shoot and magpunta sa mga location. So for this one here in Paris, hindi kami masyadong nagpunta kung saan-saan. We'll see kung magiging maganda yung shoot namin and I might share it on Instagram for sure. So see ya! So we're finally here at the Arc. Finally, we're back. We're done shooting. That's the Galerie Lafayette. Champs-Élysées pala. Sorry, Champs-Élysées. We'll try to check some stores, but we'll see if mapapa-shopping tayo. So, let's go. In all fairness, guys, walang tao ngayon. As in, yan, sila lang yung nag-shoot. Hindi nga sila nag-shoot kasi nakatingin lang sila. It's so nice. Hindi katulad nung dating punta namin, sobrang daming tao dito. Baka dahil naka-holiday sila, sabi mo, di ba?
Yeah.
So, holiday daw nila, so walang masyadong tao. But tourist-wise, lahat ng tourist nandun. ayun nandun sila sa tawid. At pwede rin umakyat dyan sa taas. Hindi ko lang alam, free. Pero from dun sa taas, makikita nyo yung Eiffel Tower. So, you can check that online, I think. Anyway, we'll go to Champs-Élysées. It's a mirror, guys. Mirroring this structure. Look at this. Tara! Dami kong dala. Nandito yung mga camera ko. Hindi ko kasi malalagay dito sa bag na to. Which, kung saan nakalagay yung mga important stuff. Like money, cards, like that. Anyway, we'll just go around. Good. Okay, I'll get one. Yeah. Okay, so malakas makatito na naman tayo. Hindi tayo magsha-shopping ng luxury, but we are going to shop some luxury candles. And this one is called Trudon, or how do you pronounce the name?
Trudon.
Trudon.
Exactly.
Trudon. Super good. This one is their Christmas collection. Come here. Super good. Really, really nice. This one is what we are getting. Very fit sa bahay. Black and white. But this one is black and gold. So it has this design ng parang French
Royal court
yun daw yung
decor.
design niya. So I'll be getting this one. The name is Fir.
Exactly.
Fir.
Christmas tree.
Christmas. Oh, okay.
Oh.
Okay, perfect. Dinner time. We are eating Thai food. Just somewhere from the streets na pinaglakaran namin kanina. So we have chicken satay, tom yum, cow wok chicken. Bon appetito!
Good. Wow. Unexpected yun, ha? Sarap ng chicken. Ang sarap ng rice. Ang ganda ng seasoning. Wow.
Good morning, guys. We're going to flea market today, and dami kaming pupuntahan. We're also going to Gallery Lafayette, and what else mga pupuntahan natin?
We'll see it from there.
Welcome to our neighborhood. Today, parang shopping day lang namin, since this is my second to the last full day of being here in Paris. So, yun lang. We'll see.
Then, may tea party!
Cheers! Kampay! Sadu! Kunyari may bisita ka, pero madamot ka. So yung kalahati na agad yung bigay mo. We are buying vintage camera. This one is Olympus, and we also saw this Pentax. Super duper nice. We also tried taking photos here and videos. Super nice, I swear. It's super old and vintage yung vibe. So nice. And 40 lang siya. 40 euros. I think this is for tissue. Vintage cards for 20. Ooh, this is 100% silk. Silk. For 60. So nice. New clutch bag. Very nice. We are in the second flea market. See that? Dami, diba? I'm so happy with my purchase. Nadaanan namin to sa street. Super nice. Look at that. Old history of Paris. And this is only 10 euro. For 30. Guys, dito pwede magbayad ng card sa flea market. Di nyo kaya. Merci. Diba? Hey guys! We're now here in Garden Tuileries.
No, it's Jardin des Tuileries.
Chill lang kami dito. We bought some coffee from the Kitsune store just across this entrance. Yeah, there.
Behind the Ferris wheel, guys.
And this is our view. I'm gonna show you guys. Charan! May mga duck. Yeah, and this is our view. And that's the Louvre, guys. Louvre Museum and
Louvre.
Ito yung park. Ito yung background namin. May sinaset up na silang parang perya. Perya sa Pilipinas.
Ano, anong pandar ng mga yan?
Just here.
Parang Christmas something. Or Christmas bazaar.
Ang sarap tumambay dito, tapos inom ka lang ng mainit na coffee.
Yeah.
Bukas yung last day ko and I have a special thing that I have to do tomorrow because tomorrow we are meeting Ami Paris team. So we got invited in their store visit with the team. So they're gonna introduce me some people from Ami team and then maybe check some pieces, or if swertehin na nandun si Alexander, which is the owner of Ami himself, then that's gonna be fun, diba? It's a dream come true, guys. Yay! Sana ma-invite ako sa Fashion Week, no? One day.
Why not?
Ng Ami.
Manifesting.
Yeah, that's just it. Wow, that's the Louvre. Luckily, walang tao masyado. Ayan, ngayon meron na. Pero, in front, wala. This is the main entrance, pero meron ding entrance sa kabilang side. Tapos, I remember, nag-shoot kami dun sa kabilang side before. The other part of Louvre na triangle is this one, and that one. That one. Anyway, that's just it, guys. Tapos yung Garden Tuileries, dun lang siya sa kabilang side. Tatawid lang kayo. Good lang, that's all for today. I loves you. Bonjour! Today is the day! Today is Ami Day. I'm super duper excited. I don't know what will happen, but so excited to meet the people from Ami Paris. But first, coffee. We went to this trending coffee na nakita ko sa Instagram. It's super nice. It's called Noah. High ceiling din siya. Super duper nice. Tapos dito guys, isa lang ang staff. Siya gumagawa ng lahat. So medyo may queuing lang na nagaganap. But it's really nice kasi parang I think ganun talaga yung French.
Yeah.
No?
French people basically hindi sila nag-rush and they take time to drink.
Oo. And also, hindi siya yung katulad ng mga fast food na or mga parang Starbucks na kailangan mabilis gumalaw. So, ito, I'll show you guys. So, this is the cup. Tapos, this is the coffee shop called Noah. And then, when you enter, ganito yung itsura niya sa loob. Ooh. Ayan. Oops. Ayan yung loob. So, ayan, bumili na kami. So, ayaw na namin pumasok sa loob. Kasi medyo tahimik sila dun. Mag-ingay lang ako. So, anyway, maglakad muna kami before we go to Ami. See you guys there. Ciao. Guys, sorry. Pakita ko lang sa inyo tong street na dinaanan namin kung saan kami bumili ng kape. We bought coffee from that black thing. Tapos, ang ganda kasi ang daming coffee shop. This one, this one, this one. Ito pang isa, mamaya pa yata siya magbubukas. And I think meron pa dito sa mga katabing stores na nakasarap. Ang galing kasi ang daming coffee shop and lahat may tao. Lahat tinatangkilik. Hindi naglalaban-laban or hindi parang nagpapataasan ng sinong pinakamasarap. Ang galing. Iba din yung coffee community here and also the people. French people really loves drinking coffee kahit gabi pa yan. Kaya nga 'di ba sikat sila sa mga videos na tumatambay sa labas, umuupo para magkape or mag Aperol Spritz, mga ganon. So, yun lang. Bakit? Gusto ko lang i-share. Bye. Ayan pa oh. O, diba? Bye. Okay guys, we are almost there. Nandito tayo ngayon sa Concord. Concord pala. Concord. Dito ginanap yung Vogue event guys, yung anniversary nila. I don't know if you guys have watched that. Super duper nice. By the way, I'm wearing a full Ami Paris outfit today. Thank you, Ami Paris Philippines, for dressing me up for this special day. This trench coat, by the way, is from Ami. Of course, their famous heart with a sweater, also from Ami Paris. Thank you so much. Sobrang ganda nito kasi talaga ako nilalamig. Keeps me warm all the time. Anyway, let's go. That's Ritz Hotel. Di malapit na tayo. Actually, itong area na to guys, shopping district siya. So marami kang mapagpupuntang store dito. There's Dior, there's Hublot, Chomay, CDG, Chanel. I can see it from here. Ami is also here, located here. So let's go. Finally, bienvenue chez Ami. Hi. Bonjour.
How are you?
How are you? Nice to finally meet you.
Yeah, welcome to Paris.
Thank you.
With the sun, everything's perfect, right?
I'm trying to learn French.
But it's a bit complicated,
It's
right?
a bit complicated, but I'm enjoying. Hello.
It's Sarah from our VIP team, yes.
Enchanté.
So to see our flagship in Paris today.
Of course.
More product than the store we have in Manila,
Yeah,
for sure.
yeah.
Also like some exclusivity and so on. So you know, with a new concept, very unique. You know, like,
So happy to be here.
yeah, for menswear, and the floor upstairs is more for women. So here you have like some, you know, products like this one, very like something important at Ami. It's a great seller, great quality. Your shirt with the scarf.
ribbon. Yes,
Yes, it was.
And I've seen other colors as well. There's black and what do you call them?
Yeah,
Clay.
clay.
This one is also
what
really
we-
nice.
Yeah, this one is really nice. And you have also, you know, the same, you know. in
Oh,
colors.
I would wear this. I would wear this.
This one is
Super
really
nice.
nice. Products for us. And you know, it's mohair. Very nice mixing, you know, the two key colors of the season.
Super nice.
This one is my
What do you call this again?
alpaca.
Alpaca. So
Alpaca.
there's a new fabric that they're introducing. Aside from the woolly, the traditional or the famous one that I'm wearing now.
But this one for me, the very great compromise in women's.
Oh
But
yes, please, thank you very much.
check
Merci.
De rien. Is it okay? Yeah. And you have like
Oh, I love it.
with the denims you are wearing, the shoes, everything. It's very nice on you.
It's the perfect length too.
Wow.
Like it's not too
Yeah,
long
not too
Yeah,
long.
yeah,
and not too short too.
That is true.
Amazing.
Amazing. I love it.
Yeah, so this piece was a runway piece. Yeah, it was on the runway. Very beautiful as well. I know, it's alpaca as well.
Ah, alpaca. It's a
Alpaca.
mix.
Mine is 100% wool.
Yeah,
See,
yeah,
it's a bit like
And it's
itchy.
thick.
And this one is a bit like very soft.
Went to Paris 2 years ago. Choices of
Yes.
shoes.
So like a key pieces during the runway show. So the detail of the season for
Yeah.
sure. You know, the
Yeah.
buckle.
I've seen a lot of pieces from the Philippines that have excited.
Spring 25, it's really like a beautiful collection.
Gosh,
The
so
shirt.
excited.
Voulez-vous? Voulez-vous? Yes.
So
So
nice.
if we have to translate, it's like, do you want it?
Oui. In this color, I love this.
And this one is also like one of our best sellers right now.
It's super nice. And it's easy to maintain, you know?
Yes, you know the quality of
Yes.
the leather. So I think it's geared, you know, by the French culture, but the shape and everything. And
Because
this-
there are bags that's super structured, delicate.
yeah, a bag you can wear, you know, anytime.
Yeah,
you know.
you can actually throw this and it will
Absolutely.
still be fine.
That's right. And for me, it's great. When I travel, with a bag like this, you can put everything except, of course, a computer.
You hold it, it's super
Yeah,
nice.
just like
Look at
this,
that.
you know?
I super love it.
Yeah,
Smells
the
so
smell. And I think the black and white, you know, stripe, it's also like our DNA. So
Do
it's
we also
very-
have perfume?
No.
Not yet, not that I
No,
know.
not yet. Maybe one
Soon,
day.
yeah.
It's
Lovey.
Yes.
Yes.
She was amazing.
Friend of mine. Hi, Lovey. Together for a series in the Philippines a few years back.
Yeah.
So it was fun.
Yeah, yeah,
So we
yeah.
reunited in Ami because she saw me. She was like, "Oh, your outfit."
Yeah, it was perfect. I don't know how many times we repeat that your outfit was
Oh my
amazing.
god! Thank you
Really,
so much.
amazing.
I'm super grateful and super happy that night.
Yeah, it was great. We spent a very great moment.
I know.
And Delphine, you remember Delphine?
Yes,
she
I
said
actually
hi
met
to
her.
you. She's in a meeting right now because Monday is a bit busy.
Yeah, yeah.
So she said, say hi to Larby and say she was like super happy to meet you, you know, there.
Yeah.
And next time, very beautiful and yeah, very chic.
Aw, thank you so much. Ang ganda daw ng content ko, guys. Thank you so much.
No, but it's a pleasure to meet you in Paris, you know,
Yeah.
because, and in our house here in Nice.
Yeah.
You are more than welcome and you are part of the family right now.
Oh,
So,
my heart.
yeah, and sorry for tonight again because, you
No,
know,
it's fine.
I have the birthday address tips.
I think I pretty much explored
Yeah.
some spots already. Maybe I will save the rest for next time.
Yeah.
When I go
Yeah,
back.
Yeah, but yeah, this area is also nice because you have like the garden.
Thank you, Sam.
My pleasure. It was my pleasure to see.
Nice to meet you as well.
Nice to meet you.
And hope to see you next time again in Paris.
Yes, please.
And
Let's
and
keep
yeah.
in touch.
Yeah.
Bye, guys. Thank you.
I loves you.